What's up, guys? It's Asian here, and currently I'm in Ikea right now, which right now it's pretty good. I mean, I'm looking at all the areas, and yeah, it's just really bloody good. So I don't know. Pretty nice in Ikea. And yeah, pretty much Ikea. Nice bloody couch this.
Yeah, just trying to feel it.
Couldn't find them.
So this was nice, but the traffic used to be around, wasn't it?
Why?
Because it go away across the
No, that'll go across the window. And then that's near your radiator.
I told you it's the right dimension.
So me too. That's your radiator's there. Here. That's where you sit, there's the TV. And that's your window.
We cursed.
I think it's too big.
No, I think that's what you want for your house back,
It's the same height, this one.
Yeah, it's more comfortable, right?
Yeah, it's no point. Just get the one over and look.
Kieran's doing a day in life at Ikea.
Cactus.
You know what?
Cursed. Why are you even wearing black? You're wearing half black and you've got black hair.
Right, don't lose my phone.
I'm not. Oh, that looks pretty good.
Who's on phone? Who's on phone?
Do you want to turn the light off it?
No, it doesn't matter.
I don't know how to do it anyway.
Doesn't matter. So anyways, this is Ikea.
Sofa bed.
We've got this
Sofa bed would be
baldy right
nice.
here. This guy's a bloody veteran, this is. He's a bloody veteran.
You're a redneck.
How am I a redneck?
Well, you're, oh no, redhead, sorry.
I'm not that much of a redhead.
Like that.
What the bloody hell? This is a big bloody thing, this is. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, he'll get on there as well.
This is pretty good.
This one.
Anyways.
Yeah, twins would sit up like that, like the caravan did that, didn't it?
Like, cursed. What have you got to say to the viewers that will probably watch this video?
I'm going in there to the movie night see it.
I do see the movie night thing.
Over there.
I know. You know. Movie night. They've even got a popcorn machine here.
Should I go take a picture? Do you want to take a picture for it?
No,
Actually,
because I'm recording the video, and they've also got this, so for when Dwayne Johnson comes here, he'll be ready and secured. Well, this looks pretty good. Yeah? Don't say my name in public, please. And I'm recording a video.
Oh.
Also, don't say the fake name, please. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to cut it out.
Where's Harley? Harley! Oh, I wonder where you were.
The box office. What?
Different sweets.
Right.
I do wonder if it's going blindly in this way.
Alright.
You've got to follow a straight line. Follow the arrow. So I just said movie night.
Oh, I can't watch a movie. Nothing. Ooh. A nice bottle of vinegar. Tasty that. So anyways, that's pretty much all I've got to say about Ikea. It's very good. And yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next video, I guess. Bye.